Healthcare advocates say the money would be better spent bringing healthcare costs down. Big Pharma is pushing back, saying it's not only unfair to single out their industry, but it's also a violation of free speech.
And some lost over 47 pounds.
Prescription drug ads are on the airwaves, social media, and print, and your tax money helps pay for them. Pharmaceutical companies can write them off as a business expense on their Maryland tax returns. A new poll by OpinionWorks shows that 73% of those surveyed support legislation to eliminate that tax break. Instead, the money will be reinvested in Medicaid and the Maryland Health Benefit Exchange. The goal is to help stabilize and lower health care costs,
so that we could use the $24 million that would be saved every year to make sure Marylanders have the health care they need.
The state would dedicate $5 million to the Department of Health to boost Medicaid eligibility operations. More staff and upgrades are needed to keep up with the new federal restrictions on who qualifies. Remaining funds will go to subsidies in the Maryland Affordable Care Act marketplace.
I work 2 jobs, neither of which provide insurance.
Bobby Laughlin would benefit. When the state-backed subsidy expires, his health insurance will increase from $70 to as much as $500.
Without legislation like this, I will be forced to go without insurance or downgrade to a plan that barely meets my needs. If I am hurt in an accident or suffer a serious illness, I will be bankrupted.
Pharmaceutical companies are pushing back. Executives contend it violates their First Amendment rights. They told a House committee that it's a punitive design and it would make Maryland the only state in the country to single out drug researchers and manufacturers for special tax treatment tied to their communications with patients.
Unless the Maryland General Assembly takes action this year, it's likely that 160,000 current enrollees, many of them our black and brown neighbors, will lose coverage.
Advocates hope the poll gives the legislation a boost. A Senate committee heard the bill last week. No further action was taken. The House version of the bill was heard in committee back on February 12th, and no further action has been taken. Reporting from Timonium, David Collins, WBAL-TV 11 News.